Hey guys, welcome back to another one. This is a quick video about a brand new cryptocurrency, and it's also an exchange as well that has a cryptocurrency to help with governance and such. But let's get into it. It's called DexLab. It is the best decentralized exchange platform, and it says where the best Solana projects mint and list their tokens. So that's exactly what it does. In the future, you should be able to mint brand new tokens on the Solana blockchain, as well as their tokens and possibly NFTs in the future as well. And we'll breeze through this website. We'll check out a Medium post, and then we will dig into the white paper here. So token management for Q4. It's got a little bit of token issuance, some token burning, and then the IDO integration. The token itself, you can see it's split up. It's actually split quite vastly here between a lot of different pools. You have the mining pool and rewards. You have marketing, community, liquidity, strategic, seed, IDO round, advisors, teams, etc., etc. So no one person or team has too much of the pie, which is good. Good to see that. The token symbol is DXL. The total supply is 1 billion. The initial price is 2 cents. And then let's check out this roadmap. So Q3 2021, they're looking for that GUI for traders and bot traders. So just that graphical interface is what they're looking for. And then the next phase, they're looking for the launchpad. And then Q1 22 NFT launchpad to be able to mint and issue NFTs. And then after that, they're looking for some more challenges. Here are some of the investors. They have Solana listed there, which is kind of cool. Partners, once again, Serum and Solana. And then that is the website in a nutshell. And let's check out a Medium post. This is their very first one. It came out in May of 19, DexLab, the Solana entry hub. So it's making it easy to deploy on the Solana blockchain. So it's the one of the most scalable networks in existence. It has proof of stake and proof of history census protocols, which allows it to get those high speeds and very little transaction fees. And that's a combination that that next big cryptocurrency is looking for. Ethereum is getting there. Cardano, once again, is getting there, but that is the next big thing to have that combination there. And DexLab is looking to solve barriers of entry. So neat thing about it, it's a Korean development team. They've got 10 years of experience building these applications. Let's see, one of our goals is to facilitate the transition of non-blockchain projects and businesses, particularly in Asia, to the Solana blockchain through DexLab. So that is, very interesting, and they're one of the few doing that. Furthermore, we'll provide advice and experience to help along the process, but also for new upcoming projects to have an equal opportunity to thrive in Solana. So DexLab will run its native token and DXL with a wide range of utilities, but most importantly for governance. So you can definitely vote on, what happens next with the token. And they even brought it up here. The Asian market is very particular. They're very strict, especially in Korea. So I think if you do have, a hand to vote, it actually will be quite important for this token here. See, it is important to note that cryptocurrency regulation body in South Korea, the Financial Service Commission, is limiting the amount of exchanges allowed, and most speculate that all medium to small size exchanges will shut down in the near future. The traffic of these will likely disperse into DEXs, or decentralized exchanges. So DexLab is also preparing for this, which they have prepared for it, and it is now indeed a decentralized exchange. So we dig into the white paper. It says much of the same. Let's get right into it. So it talks a little bit about DeFi services in the past, and then it goes into what is DexLab. So Project DexLab is a decentralized exchange that supports cross-chain trading so that customers can make the transaction at the time and price they desire. It's built on Solana blockchain, which leverages interoperability solution between tokens. And that's one of the things that everyone, if you're familiar with cryptocurrency, if you want to trade between Ethereum's exchange and Binance's exchange and Theta's exchange, it's very hard to do that. So to get something that's interoperable between all those different blockchains, it's super helpful. So other features, you can swap, there's an order book, there's Ethereum integration, cross-chain transaction, and then let's see, we talked about the token before with the tokenomics. There's liquidity pool, which definitely, it pays out members who pay into the liquidity pool. Here's a graphical depiction of that. It's got the API. And then if we keep on scrolling down, there's some graphical visualizations. And if we keep scrolling down, here's the roadmap. Phase 1 is completed, phase 2 and phase 3. Here's phase 4 and phase 4. They're working on those NFTs, and that's like the next big thing for DexLabs. And that is the white paper in a nutshell, as well as a Medium article, and back to the website. What do you guys think of this one? It's a brand new decentralized exchange on the Solana blockchain. Let me know in the comments below. See y'all next one.